See guys, this is Petronas Tower. Hi, good morning guys. This is Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia. Basically this place what you see behind me is called Petronas Tower. You see how big buildings are over here. I don't know whether you could see it properly. Time is current 8:30 in India and 10:50 in Malaysia. Like we have so many buildings. Maybe I don't know how much big they are, but I guess minimum all of them are nearly 50 or maybe 80 floors, and that one maybe more 100 floors, but so many big towers. I'll show you a 360 degree. Just see this. I think this is the Petronas Tower what we see. I don't know how big tall this is. I come by taxi here and it took nearly 23 rm to come here. So 23 rm would be somewhere nearly 450 500 maybe 7 kilometers they take. This much. It's cheap for them, but for us in Indian currency it's big. So this is the entrance, and they have the Rolex shop, basically an official showroom of Rolex. This is the entrance, and okay, this looks like a mall. So this is the right side is the Rolex, and this is basically a kind of a mall. And I don't know where do we go. This is Ramly Mall. They mention it as Ramly Mall. So this is Petronas main tower entrance. I am here. I don't know, but where is Petronas Tower? I don't know. Just look at this, guys. Wow. Waiting for my friend basically, who would come. He's from Malaysia, and I don't know, he's stuck in traffic yet. So once he comes, then we go together to the Petronas Tower, because to go to Petronas Tower, I'll tell you what all you have to do. What all I know, I'll try to tell Max. I think that's the DR shop. I don't know which side we go for the Petronas.
Hello.
There is a perfume shop and so many things. I don't know which tower is for Petronas Tower. Okay, here they have mentioned Petronas Tower. So I go this way. I really do not know where all to go and where all to not. A difficult move for me. And Petronas Tower, we go straight. I don't know whether the outfit is looking nice or should I remove this for it. Okay, Petronas Tower, Twin Tower visit, entrance and tickets is this side. Okay, so here they mention if you want the tickets to the Petronas, you go left, and if you want to visit, because we have already purchased the tickets for the Petronas Tower, so we go towards right, I guess. I will be waiting for my friend because we have booked our slot around 11:30, and from 11:30 I think we go there. Now it's 11 o'clock. This is the waterfall what we have. I think this is the view. Oh, this is Petronas Tower, guys. This one is Petronas Tower. Oh man, how come I did miss the photo? Oh, here I think that many people take photos of themselves. See guys, this is Petronas Tower, but I think this is Petronas Tower. In order to visit on the top of the Petronas Tower, you have to book a ticket via Petronas Tower, and for foreigners basically it is 1900 something, basically 2000 rupees to go up, and for Malaysians I think it is 35, so around 600 rupees for Malaysian and 2000 rupees for foreigners. And here they paste this logo. Guys, this is the 20 tallest buildings in the world, and this is one of the towers, including Burj Khalifa and also Petronas Tower. So I think we change few lifts. Okay, this is the new lift we go. Oh, this is smaller one. I just show you the view of the Petronas Tower. We spent here 10 minutes. Look at this, guys. Look at this. Oh man. This is the first time I have come, and that too look at the view of the Petronas Tower. Oh. So left hand is the twin tower and the right hand is the mouse for me. I go pretty, then I press this. Just see, it is all in the control of your hands. You see the twin tower on your hands and you control on the other hand. So beautiful. It's a lifetime experience. You could definitely come here once if you ever visit Malaysia. Petronas Twin Tower, I guess, I think 84th floor I'm currently standing. So it's so cool, although we are on the top of the 84th floor. We have come, we have purchased. Here I am. I think you can see it. Yes. So this is the Petronas Tower and we can download the soft copy. So I have just purchased for 135 ringgits. 135 ringgits, maybe 3,500 rupees, including the soft copy photos and the photo frame. Okay, bye bye. See you guys on the ground floor of the Petronas Tower, and then we click few more pictures and then I show you how does it look on the ground floor. See you, bye bye.